sport's most sacred symbol raised aloft at Wembley Stadium, and in the care of one of the greatest Olympians, Sir Steve Redgrave. At the beginning there was celebration, but for its journey across London, the Olympic torch was surrounded constantly by Chinese security men and a patrol of British police officers who were very quick to show this protester that they were not in the party mood. The former Blue Peter presenter Connie Huck carried the torch through Ladbroke Grove. By then the patrol had got bigger to protect the flame from those who seek to put it out.
I think everyone knew there'd be protesters along the way today, and it's good that we're in a nation where people can protest.
And protest they did. The torch's progress was punctuated with confrontation. Along the route there were people who'd come to support China, and confronted with their Tibetan counterparts, there were ugly scenes.
Well, these are the kind of scenes which the progress of the Olympic torch through London are going to be remembered for. Hundreds of pro-Tibet demonstrators held back by lines of police. The Olympic torch is supposed to be a symbol of unity and peace between nations. Well, today in London, it is anything but.
There was at least some peace to be found in Downing Street, and delicate politics too, with the Prime Minister careful not to touch the torch. Elsewhere in Whitehall, the torch continued its difficult journey and the tension was rising.
Our duty is, in whatever we do, if we do use force, is to act proportionately and lawfully. Our aim is to see that that torch passes safely and securely along its route in London.
The Olympic torch has so far made its way through the capital securely, but given all of the ideals it stands for, ideally, it shouldn't need protecting. Geraint Vincent, ITV News.